What's good, creative fam? Brandon Washington here, and still at NAB having a freaking blast.
Oh yeah.
But as y'all already know, there's a few things that I love. One, obviously, filmmaking, but two, is sneakers. I spend probably I easily spend probably as much money on gear. Nah, it's pretty close though, I'm not gonna lie. I love sneakers.
Dang, man.
But with that also being said, the next thing that I love is magic. And actually, you know what? I like to let my guests introduce themselves. Do me a favor, introduce yourself to the people.
What's up? I'm Dave Altizer. I have a channel called Kinotika, it's spelled K-I-N-O-T-I-K-A, and we do camera reviews and stuff. And yeah, just kind of like Brandon, but less cool.
Oh, I wouldn't say that, because this man's gonna do a magic trick right now, and he's gonna blow my mind. So I want to see what you got.
Yeah.
What you got?
I'm just gonna go through the pack here. Just say stop whenever you want, Brandon.
Okay, stop.
Right there. Look at that card. Show it to everybody. Show it to the camera. Make sure that I don't look at it.
That's a lucky number right there.
You got it?
Yeah, I got that.
All right, say stop again whenever you want.
Stop.
Place it right where you stopped me. Perfect. I'm not going to touch the cards anymore. I want you to just hold on to them.
Okay.
Hold them tight.
Got
now,
it.
I know this is a little weird, but I want you to actually grab my wrist with your other hand really tight and think about your card in your mind, all right?
Okay.
It's a mental trick.
Okay.
All right, think about the card.
Got it.
All right, don't think of that. Think of the card.
Wait, I got it.
Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Squeeze really tight and let go. See the blood on my arm where you were squeezing?
Yeah.
Watch this. Watch. 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 No, I'm just kidding. Here we go. Watch. Just like that, you'll actually see the blood start to form into something. If you thought of your card while you squeeze, you'll actually start to see it happen. Right there, it looks like a 7 and a square. 7 of diamonds. Is that it?
What?
Do you see it? Camera see that? All right, now Brandon, you've been holding on to the deck the whole time.
Hell no.
Take the top card. Take the top card.
I don't want to look at it.
There, I'll do it for you. You said stop right where
Oh
you
my
There it is on top. 7 of diamonds. Yeah.
Okay, I don't like that kind of magic. That magic freaks me out. You can't do magic with blood and oh Lord have mercy.
Yeah, there you go. 7 of diamonds. And
I thought all this
check the
camera
deck.
equipment was gonna blow my mind.
There's no other 7s, right?
What?
Yeah, it's just a normal deck.
Okay, y'all, I'm gonna apologize right now because there's gonna be no cuts in this video, and it's just to prove. I don't know. I don't
You like that?
know.
You're shaking right now.
Bro, that's good.
You like
That's probably gonna be better than any camera video I'm gonna put out this week. I'm sorry. That's live. Man, not to mention the boys got, we got the Yeezy game strong. Loving it, loving it. Man, real quick, before I let you go, because we are at NAB, what's the #1 thing that's standing out to you out here?
Dude, it's gotta be Blackmagic. Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 4K. It is the talk of the show. They just totally ripped everybody to shreds. I feel really bad for Panasonic and Sony right now. No, it's really exciting because it's really taking like all the pro video features that we see in $10,000 cameras and putting it in a $1,200 body. I used to shoot on Blackmagic cameras like 4 or 5 years ago. I had the original cinema camera. I had 2 pocket cameras. I had a pocket that actually snapped in half once when I was in Nicaragua. But anyways, I loved those cameras because the dynamic range was so good. Shooting ProRes was just such a creamy, thick Kodak, you know, and like the colors just are so vibrant once you grade it. Not to mention you get RAW. I never really messed with RAW. I always shot ProRes, so I'm more excited about ProRes. I'm definitely going to be using one for YouTube because it just like it's a great tool for recording high quality content, especially if you have an operator like I have Connor over here. This is my operator.
What's up,
And
guys?
we've got Sticks operating right now, so you know we're lucky enough to have dudes to help us film stuff. So.
That's true.
But yeah, Blackmagic all the way, man.
Woo! Well, guys, there you have it. Blackmagic's killing the show, but I don't know. My heart's still racing. I can't believe, like, I've seen people pull a card out of a hat, pull a rabbit out of a hat. They never made my card show up on blood on their arm. Like, I couldn't even do that trick.
It's still there.
Like, that doesn't make sense to me. I can't do that trick. Oh, well, other than that, guys, thank you so much for checking out this video. Of course, I'm going to have tons of NAB content. If it's your first time checking out one of my videos, definitely hit the subscribe button because this channel is all about filmmaking, gear, tips, tutorials. Also, make sure you check out his channel. As I said, he's going to be doing gear reviews, all that great stuff. You guys will love it, trust me. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
Yeah.